Physics of Sports by Jason, Jacob, Haley, and Caroline.
This picture is an example of force. A push or pull on an interaction between two objects that can result in an acceleration of either or both objects.
This picture is an example of elastic potential energy, the energy of a spring due to its compression or strength. Also see spring potential energy.
In this picture is an example of Newton's third law. Forces come in pairs. The force of object A on object B is equal in strength in opposite directions.
This picture is an example of kinetic energy associated with motion. The energy of an object passes because of its speed. In this picture is an example of gravitational potential energy. The energy of the body passes as a result of its position in a gravitational field. When the ball is at its height.
In this picture is an example of Newton's first law in the absence of an unbalanced force, because the ball moves at a constant speed until an unbalanced force is acted on it. In this picture is an example of acceleration, the change in velocity per unit time acceleration because the man is speeding up.
In this picture, the speed of the javelin pole is direction of a displacement divided by the time interval velocity.
In this picture is an example of inertia, the natural tendency of an object to remain at rest or to remain moving with a constant speed in a straight line.
In this picture, the ground is a frictional force. Friction, a force that acts to resist the relative motion or attempted motion of objects whose surfaces are in contact with each other.
In this picture is an example of speed, the distance traveled divided by the time, for instance, the time it takes for him to travel the track.